What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick look at Giga. We're seeing at 0.016, down 7% on the day. We're seeing a market cap 230 million, 24-hour volume 29 million. So if we pop into the charts, couple of scenarios for Giga. We hit the minimum for a wave 2, but we never broke the bullish level. So if we see a larger correction, then we can pull back into the normal wave 2 pullback zone, which is in between 0.01659 and the 78.6 at 0.01140 in a wave 2, just like this, bang bang. But if we were to push from here and break the bullish level, now I am on log scale. Someone was mentioning this in my Discord. So when you're on log scale, you take a trend base extension from the bottom of that wave 1 to the top. If that were to be the bottom of wave 2, you can see it would take you all the way up to 17 cents. And from the current price, it's an appreciation of 500%. Now, it depends how you want to do your chart analysis. You put that on regular scale. I don't really like using regular for anything, but with these wave counts, if you put it on regular scale, you can see that wave 3 target is at 0.05, and appreciation from here, it's only 130%. So you can also look at it that way. Usually I keep everything on logarithmic scale. The only problem is when you get higher price targets, they get a bit ridiculous with Elliott wave. So that's what we're looking at. If we can push from here, then look for that 5-cent target in the wave 3. Otherwise, we can go through an ABC correction into this target zone before seeing that push back to the upside for our friend Giga. As we can see on the daily chart, we did create the bullish cross of the 20 over the 50, but we'll see if it holds. That will be another signal of a larger correction. If we break these daily EMAs, then basically you're going to do a little something like this, because you do have a rising wedge before continuation back to the upside, and right down here will be a beautiful opportunity to enter Giga. That's what we're looking at. We are in 2 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. Just sign up. That's it. There's no strings attached. Send me an email. I will send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including Giga. My crypto trade signals. We're in 2 trades right now. What I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Crypto news, yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.